In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mask out objects fast in Photoshop using a simple method that can take as little as 30 to 60 seconds. If you've ever tried manually cutting out a subject using the lasso tool or the pen tool, you already know it can take a long time and requires a lot of precision. The good news is that modern versions of Photoshop include a powerful AI-powered feature that can automatically detect the main subject in your image and create a clean selection in just a few clicks. This is incredibly useful for removing backgrounds, creating thumbnails, making product images, designing social media graphics, or isolating people and objects for creative edits. The best part is that this method works for beginners and professionals alike, and you don't need any advanced masking skills to get great results. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start using this technique immediately. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tutorials, and quick productivity tricks. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop and get started. The first step is to open your image in Photoshop. Simply launch Photoshop, go to the top menu, click File, and then click Open. Browse to the image you want to edit and load it into your workspace. This technique works best with images where the main subject is clearly visible, such as a person, product, animal, or object that stands out from the background. Once your image is open, take a quick look at the Layers panel to make sure your photo is selected. If your layer is locked, that's completely fine, because we'll be using a mask which keeps everything non-destructive and fully editable. Keeping your edits non-destructive is always a good habit in Photoshop, because it allows you to make changes later without permanently deleting parts of your image. Now that your image is ready, we can move on to the fastest part of this entire process. Next, go to the top menu and click Select, and then choose Select Subject. As soon as you click this option, Photoshop will automatically scan your image using Adobe's AI technology in an attempt to detect the main subject. In most cases, this takes only a second or two. When the detection finishes, you'll see the familiar moving dashed lines around your subject, also known as marching ants. This means Photoshop has created an active selection of what it believes is the most important object in your image. What's impressive about this tool is that it can recognize complex shapes like hair, clothing edges, and irregular objects much better than older selection tools. If the selection looks good, you're ready for the next step. And even if it's not perfect, don't worry, because we can easily refine the mask afterward if needed. But for quick edits, this automatic selection is usually surprisingly accurate and saves a huge amount of time compared to manual methods. Now with your selection active, go down to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon. The icon looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. As soon as you click it, Photoshop instantly converts your selection into a mask. What this does is hide the background while keeping your subject visible. You'll immediately see the background disappear, leaving only the object you selected. The great thing about using a mask instead of deleting the background is that nothing is actually removed. If you ever need to bring parts of the background back, you can simply paint on the mask with a brush to reveal or hide areas. This gives you full control and flexibility over the final result. At this point, you've successfully isolated your subject in just a few clicks. If you want to place the object onto a new background, you can simply add a new layer underneath and drop in any image, color, or design you like. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. If the edges of your selection need improvement, select the mask thumbnail, go to Select and Mask, and use the Refine tools to smooth edges, improve hair detail, or adjust feathering for a more natural cutout. And that's it. That's the fastest way to mask out objects in Photoshop using Select Subject and a layer mask. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop tutorials just like this one.